Hello, I'm Todor Nurov-Tosh, or the Universal Man, author of the world's first university course in artificial general intelligence and of the theory of universe and mind. In this video, I will comment some of the suggestions by Conor Leahy on Machine Learning Street Talk. Conor Leahy. Conor believes that the term AGI, artificial general intelligence, is not well defined and is often misused. He argues that the focus should be on whether systems are able to solve complex tasks or make predictions, rather than whether they are generally intelligent or not. Well, this is exactly how AI and AGI was defined by the pioneers and the prophecies of these fields, including myself regarding AGI in the early 2000s when I was a teenager. So let's see, for example, an interview I gave in 2009 after a lecture on AGI, the principles of general intelligence, with the title for the public, The Time Machine Exists, the Intelligence or the Mind. Artificial intelligence or AI is a wide field. What do you explain to the readers, for example, what is the difference between weak AI and strong AI? This is 2009. AI is a science about systems that solve complex problems. One of the definitions. This is the old school one. Marvin Minsky, etc., which are assumed to require human intelligence. Weak AI solves specific tasks such as image and speech recognition, machine translation, self-driving cars. Strong AI is much more ambitious, and its aim is answering the general question: what is intelligence and how to create universal systems capable to reach and overpass humans in all cognitive aspects. Strong AI is called also artificial general intelligence or universal AI. And below. If you believe that it is possible for us to build an AGI, why we didn't manage to do it yet? What are the obstacles? I believe that the biggest obstacle today is time. There are different forecasts, 10, 20, 50 years, to enhance and specify current theoretical models before they actually run or before computers get fast and powerful enough. I am an optimist that we can go there in less than 10 years, at least to basic models. And I am sure that once we understand how to make it, the available computing power would be enough. One of the biggest obstacles in the past maybe was the research direction, top-down instead of bottom-up. But this was inevitable due to the limited computing power. For example, natural language processing is about language modeling. Language is a reduced end result of so many different and complex cognitive processes. NLP is starting from the reduced end result and is aiming to get back to the cognitive processes. However, the text, the output of language, does not contain all the information that the thought that created the text contains. On the other hand, many strong AI researchers now are sharing the position that a seed AI should be designed, that is a system that processes the most basic sensory inputs, vision, audition, etc. Seed AI is supposed to build and rebuild ever more complex internal representations, models of the world, actually models of its perceptions, feelings, and its own desires and needs. Eventually, these models should evolve to models of its own language, or models of humans' natural language. Another shared principle is that intelligence is the ability to predict future perceptions based on the experience. You have probably heard of Bayesian inference and hidden Markov models, and that intelligence development is improvement of the scope and precision of its predictions. Also, in order the effect of evolution and self-improvement to be created, and to avoid intractable combinatorial explosions, the predictions should be hierarchical. The predictions in an upper level are based on sequences of predictions, models, from the lower level. Similar structures is seen in living organisms, atoms, molecules, cellular organelles, cells, tissues, organs, systems, organism, and up different levels of organizations of humans. The evolution and intelligence are testing which elements are working, predicting correctly. Elements that appear to work, to predict, are fixed. They are kept in the genotype or memory and are then used as building blocks of more complex models at a higher level of the hierarchy. So this is the second definition, and this is also the recent Levin's scale of recognition and cognitive light cone, and this is defined also in the earlier works 2001 to 2004 Theory of Universe and Mind.